Oh man, looky looky. We're gonna put you aside for a little bit. I'm gonna continue working on that one, my 10 scale Schumacher. I ran into some problems with it. I just gotta build the shocks and finish. I think that's it, just the shocks. But I ran into some problems with this little bulkhead back here. I think I stripped some bolts. But I'm gonna let that sit on the back burner for a little bit because I got the Mini B and it's ready to run. They do make a roller chassis now. Let me open it up real quick. And there it is. I've already played with it. As soon as I bought it, I charged it and went and played with it. Got the chassis protector already on there. Chassis protector on there. Or right there. I like that one, but I want to save it. Man, this remote, I didn't think I would like it. But, man, it is really, really nice. Super smooth. Nice, and it fits in your hand just right. It's light. It's not heavy. I am going to eventually have it where I link it up to my Noble. But I have to get a receiver and a speed control. But for now, I'm just going to keep it straight out of the box. And there's the charger for it. What else is in here? I think it's just... Oh, and then the manual tire wrench. Let me pull the body off of it. Oh, and I did already get the my laps for it. See it? I got the smaller one. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you guys something because watch my finger. Sorry guys, I'm doing this all raw, one-handed. So I wide off, right, the receiver, which is right here. If I can get her out. It was hard to do one-handed. I had it all nice and tucked in there. But anyways, I wide it off, right? And then you want to cut your signal wire to your MyLaps. Because if not, it'll go crazy. So you just make sure you cut your signal wire, which is the white one. But if you use this, I forgot which one this is. But this one has a brown, red, and yellow. And your yellow is the signal, which is right there. Or the closest I can get it because I still got one hand. But you see how it comes off the receiver and then it wires into the servo and it wires into the MyLaps. But right here where it wires, they both had 3 wires, right? So you had your yellow. Oh, this color. Oh, there it goes. You had your yellow, orange, and brown. So there's another one. The other, they'll have red, white, and black. So the white and the yellow are your signal. So I cut the signal that goes into the MyLaps. So that's that. Cool. Really like it. You see that? I need to clean out that carpet off of it. Because I literally just practice with it and I put it back in the box. Because we had our on-road race. And then between races, I was doing some laps with it. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it. Really not much. Haven't really played with it that much. I don't know how sturdy it can be. I mean, it runs good. I think one thing that everybody's saying is, I don't know if I can get her to stay, is this right here that they're breaking here. And I think I heard somebody saying that somebody's making, I don't know who, don't quote me on this, they're making this where it's bulkier right here, so you don't break your ball joints in your this little coupling here. I do have a clear body, and I am going to paint it like the rest of my cars. I'm gonna have a whole complete fleet. But for now, I'm using the body that came with it, which is probably the cooler one. So I'm using this for practice. Comes with a 2S battery, 650 milliamps, and I think there's one that's bigger. Gives you a little bit more punch. And I'm going to keep it out of the box to keep me in the stock class. And if I go brushless, it'll put me in the pro class. I'm going to keep it like this for now. Like I said, I want to learn. I want to get better at actually driving, because I'm not really a good driver. I'm not consistent. But get some more practice, and hopefully I'll get better. I feel like I can drive this one better than I can my on-road car, but I really like the Mini Z stuff. They're a lot of fun. These tires, I don't know how long they'll last. I mean, I went around the track a couple of laps, so we'll see how long they last. These front ones are, I gotta tread on them. So we'll run these a couple races and see how long these tires last and see what we can get into. I know they have a spec tire that they're going to be selling there, but I'm not sure. This is pretty much all new to me. I did help volunteer build a track, so I figured, since I'm helping build a track, I might as well be able to play on the track too, right? So I got the Mini B, I got my 10 scale, which I need to finish, and then they just were talking about a truggy class, or not a truggy, I'm sorry, a stadium class, so I want to do that too. So we'll keep an eye out for that. I mean, I'm in no hurry to get none of that stuff, so I'm going to run this guy. I got to finish my 10 scale Schumacher, and then continue doing my on-road stuff. And I plan on just rotating weekends, or if I do on-road one weekend, then I'll do off-road the next weekend, and back and forth. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, and like and subscribe.